Today, we're going to do something fun. We're going to be on press doing a 6-color design featuring the FN ink and PMS colors mixed up with the FN ink mixing system. I'm going to pick PMS color shades that are 1 or 2 shades darker than what I called out in the design. I'm doing this with the expectation that the shades will lighten up just a bit when we print. This might be a little odd, but you'll see why when the ink is on the shirt. Let's get these colors mixed up and jump on press. So those decisions we made on our PMS color choices earlier, turns out that half of them were correct and the other half were just a little bit too much. So you can see, choosing Pantone colors so that they better match on press, not a simple process. Knowing that you may need to make an adjustment to your color selection before you start printing ends up being very helpful. If you're wanting a more in-depth video on color shift and how to adjust your colors to correct it, comment below to show your interest. Our #1 priority is education, and your feedback is what keeps us growing. Bring your art to life.